Now let's just see. This is SPM 1997, everybody. So when it comes to showing, hello, you need to work from one side to the other. Now I know some people start from the right, work towards the left. You can also do that. I would start from the left, work towards the right. Number one, I change the base to baseline. Change the baseline. Why? Because this is baseline. Number two, what is log baseline 3? 1 over 2, right? Okay. So when you divide by half, it's the same as multiplying by 2. I'll do a bit slow here. Then you separate this x plus log 9y, right? Then you times inside. And this is the same as your right hand side. And the second part is we want to use the result. We can see that this whole thing, this one, is the same as the one above, right? So I change to 2 log 9x, 2 log 9y, the result is 10. Here I like to use substitution. I let log 9x be p, log 9y be q. So 2p plus 2q is 10. Leave it first. I know some of you may want to times 2, but it's okay, just divide by 2. Leave it first, because the second one we can sub this with what? P over q equals 3 over 2. So 2p is 3q. Am I right? Then from here you can sub in the right. If you go and divide by 2, then you get times 2 again. Yeah? So when you sub 2 in 1, don't write 2p, write 3q. 3q plus 2q is 10. 5q is 10. Q is 2. So sub in equation 2. 2p is 3 times 2p is 3. Okay, what is p, what is q? Log 9x is p, which is 3. X is what? 9 power 3. What's 9 power 3? 7 to 9. Your y is 9. Log base 9 y is now your q. What's your q? 2. Y is 9 power 2. What's 9 power 2? 9 power 2 is 81. Yeah? Yeah?